Hello kids, how are you everyone? I hope you all are good. Children, welcome to hobby class. Today we will do spray painting. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Children, welcome to hobby class. Today we are going to do this spray painting. Do you know what is this? This is spray painting, and we have done the butterfly spray painting. So, do you want to do this? Do you want to do this activity? Are you excited? Yes. Okay. So, for this we need one sheet and one cutout of the butterfly. See, your mama can cut this butterfly for you. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to take one sheet, and you can do the coloring with the border. And what we have to do, we have to paste this butterfly on this sheet. For this you can use sellotape also, but I am not using this. And for this activity I need one brush and a paint color. I have taken blue paint color, light blue and dark blue. So what we have to do, we have to do the spray painting. I took this brush and put it in a paint brush, and with the fingers I will do spray. See, slowly slowly. Slowly we can cover the paper with the blue impression of the spray. You can take little color and do again. You have to do this activity with a patience. Okay children, take more color. Yes, see how beautiful it looks. Now we will take the dark blue color and we will do dark color shading. Dear parents, you can also help your child to do this activity. Okay, now I have done. Now see children, we have done the spray, and now we will take this butterfly and keep it aside. Now see what a beautiful impression is this. Beautiful spray painting is this. So now keep it 10 minutes for the dry. Okay children, bye bye. Thank you. Now we will make snail. Hello children, today we are going to make a snail. You can see this is a snail. So are you ready? For this we required crayons, marker, scissors and the cutout of the snail. You can see I have already cutted the parts of the snail and we have to paste. So we will create a snail with the help of these cutouts. So first step is we can take this pink color circle and we will fold like this. We can fold slowly like this. You can press the paper. See, we have folded like this. And next step is we will create lines. We will draw lines on the part of the snail. This is optional. If you want to do, you can do. If you don't want to do, you don't do. Okay children, and we can take any color and we will do the shading part. slowly we will do the little shading part. We will not do the whole sheet, whole circle. We will just do the little shading. Okay children, see ma'am is doing. You have to do the same. See, we have done the shading part also. Now what we will do, we will make the eyes. See, we have done the eyes also. Now pasting work will be done. We will take this semicircle and we will use this Fevicol. What we will do, we will spread some Fevicol here and we will paste this sheet over here. See, from the corner I have pasted this sheet. Okay children, now what we will turn the paper and then put some Fevicol again and we will paste these two sheets like this. Now we will turn around. We will put small dot of Fevicol over there and then we will paste the eyes. Again take the marker and make the smiley. Now see children, your snail is ready. Thank you children. Take care. Thank you so much. Stay safe and stay home.